Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. Employer cannot change the qualifications prescribed in the advertisement midstream during the course of the ongoing selection process. Any such action would be arbitrary as it would tantamount to denial of an opportunity to those candidates who are eligible in terms of the advertisement but would stand disqualified on the basis of a change in the eligibility criteria after the same is announced by the employer. Having applied for appointment in accordance with the terms prescribed in the advertisement, a candidate acquires a vested right to be considered in accordance with the said advertisement. This consideration may not necessarily fructify into an appointment but certainly entitles the candidate to be considered for selection in accordance with the rules as they existed on the date of the advertisement. Any subsequent amendment to the advertisement during the course of the selection process, unless retrospective, cannot be a ground to disqualify a candidate from consideration. Division bench erred in setting aside the order of the single judge of the High Court and cancelling appellant's appointment to the post of Amin on the ground of his being over age on basis of the change in criteria qualification in the selection process during midstream. Impugned judgment caused and set aside. Earlier order passed by respondents appointing the appellant to the post by reckoning the age of the candidate in EBC category as 40 years as on 1/1/2011 upheld. Leave granted. Stop. The appellant is aggrieved by an order dated 24th January 2017 passed by the division bench of the High Court of Judicature at Patna, whereunder an intra-court appeal filed by the respondent number 8 herein against an order dated 7th March 2013 passed by the learned single judge in a writ petition filed by the appellant herein was allowed, and as a result thereof the order passed by the respondent number 1 state government in compliance of the order passed by the learned single judge to appoint the appellant if his date of birth was found to be within the permissible range as on 1st January 2011 was set aside. A reference to the brief facts of the case is considered necessary. Wide memo dated 13th October 2011, the District Employment Officer, West Champaran, Beta, published an advertisement inviting applications from suitable candidates for appointment to the post of Amins on contractual basis. The cut-off date of the age as per the district level vacancy was fixed as 40 years as on 1st January 2011 for the economic backward class category, both males and females. The appellant applied for selection to the post pursuant to the advertisement dated 13th October 2011. It is not in dispute that as on 1st January 2011, the appellant's age was 39 years, 11 months and 27 days. In other words, the appellant qualified the age criteria in terms of the subject advertisement. The records reveal that in pursuance to a letter subsequently issued by the Principal Secretary, Revenue and LR Department, Government of Bihar, another notice was displayed on the notice board of the Collectorate, West Champaran on 15th November 2011 stating that interested parties could apply till 30th November 2011. The appellant appeared for the written examination on 22nd January 2012. Thereafter, a merit list was prepared for counseling in which his name was placed at serial number 2. The district establishment prepared a selection list on 4th December 2012 where his name was placed at serial number 9, whereas that of the respondent number 8 was at serial number 11. The remarks column noted that the appellant's candidature was cancelled on the ground of his being over age. Aggrieved by the aforesaid, the appellant submitted a representation before the district magistrate for rectification of the results, but to no avail. The appellant then filed a writ petition before the High Court on 28th August 2012, which was disposed of vide order dated 7th March 2013 with the direction issued to the collector West Champaran to examine his grievance and pass necessary orders of appointment in the event the date of birth of the appellant was found to be correct, that is 5th January 1971, in terms of his matriculation certificate. On 27th June 2015, the appellant was appointed to the post of Amin by the district magistrate West Champaran, Beta. Aggrieved by the said appointment, the respondent number 8 filed an intra-court appeal before the division bench stating inter alia that he was not made a party by the appellant in the writ petition and assailing his appointment on the ground that the appellant was overaged in terms of the press communication dated 1st November 2011. Agreeing with the stand of the respondent number 8, the division bench has passed the impugned judgment. Stop.